Hello and welcome to the Explainer. Today we are going to talk about the hidden challenge with the AI coding tools. Let's be honest, so many of us developers are using every single day. You see, your AI coding assistant has a secret. It's a pretty fundamental limitations that can silently start to undermine how useful it is. And it often happens at the worst possible time, and that leads to really strange paradox, doesn't it? The longer you are in a coding session, the more conversation history and code you feed the AI, the more its performance can actually start to drop off. So the big question is why? Why on earth does this happen? Well, the answer really gets to the very core of these large language models actually work. It all has to do with something we can call the AI's fading memory. So the key to understanding this is a concept called the context window. Now the best way to think of it is just a AI short-term memory. Everything you type, every file you give it, every single piece of code it generates for you, it all gets loaded into this temporary memory space just for that one session. And on the surface, this memory looks absolute enormous. You have got models like GPT 4.1 and Gemini 2.5 that boast context window of million tokens. Claude 4 is sitting at the very respectable 2 lakh. It really seems like you could cram entire code bases in there without even breaking a sweat. But here is the twist, the real catch. Even with these gigantic windows, the best performance, I am talking the most accurate, the most helpful output, you only get that when you are using about the first 30 to 50% of that capacity. The moment you push the past halfway point, performance starts to degrade, and this creates what we can call the developer dilemma. So what does this technical limit actually look like in a real world coding session? Let's put it into practical terms. A 2 lakh token window like the one in Claude 4 theoretically holds about 100 different sources code files, but if you remember that performance sweet spot, the realistic limit if you want reliable output is closer to just 50 files. And you can see how easily you would hit this limit in just a normal workflow. You start your first task, context is low, everything is great, you finish it, move to another one, then another. After just a few of these tasks back to back, you are probably blown past that 50% threshold. And then all of a sudden, the AI suggestions just get worse. They are cluttered with irrelevant details from something you worked on hours ago. And this code just hits the nail on the head. When you are coding, you want to be in a stage of flow, right? Just solving problems. The last thing you want to do is a pause and have to act like a memory manager for your own AI, trying to figure out if it is time to start a new chat just to clear its head. This whole situation brings the industry to a fork in the road. There are really two paths forward. So how do we solve this thing? Well, broadly speaking, you have two approaches. The first one is basically puts all the responsibilities on the developer to manage it. The second, more sophisticated path is all about building smarter systems, things like retrieval, augmented generation, or a RAG that automatically and intelligently go and retrieve only the necessary bits of context, keeping the AI memory.